Hey guys, today in this video we are going to see complete review about this awesome product called Scooply, which is a new app that uses the emerging concept that helps to get laser targeted buyer traffic straight to your page using breaking news stories. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, it various features and many more. And if you get access to it right now, I have 5 big bonuses for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer plus my free custom bonuses, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
Yeah, hi everyone, welcome to this demo of Scooply. So, let me just show you, that's the domain there. You can see that now, and what Scooply does is it works in 3 steps. I'm going to show you how that's all set out. So we've got the dashboard here. You can see how many websites you have set up, how many posts, pending posts and automations, and you can see here which posts were actually uploaded and when they were published. Now, the first step you're going to do is you got to create a site. It's really simple. You need to be connecting your social, either WordPress, Blogger or Tumblr, into the software. That's really simple to do. I've created one here with my details, so you can just see here that that's the way it's set out. Very simple. And then once you've done that, you want to be finding a source of breaking news. So if we go with, say, I don't know, BBC, say BuzzFeed, that's always a favorite, and we go with dog, and then we do a search. You can see all of these ones super fast. All of these ones are going to be posts that have got the keyword dog in them. So here you can see the original post. You can see these are all quizzes, and let's just close that down. And then what I can do is I can click on there and send that to the software, and then what I can do here is choose which website to upload this post in and when to do it, or alternatively I can schedule it. And the whole idea is that we put in our affiliate links, so you can just add manually here, or I'm going to show you a way to automate it as well. So that's what we do. And then you can, once you've done that, you just post it either instantly, as I said, or you can schedule it, and then you can just add your affiliate links. So you can, there's wording in there, for example. You can start adding your affiliate link, or the other alternative, I mean BuzzFeed, there's a lot of quizzes and stuff like that, but if you want it to be more text, what you can do is, yeah, we could go with dog, and then you can see here there's actually a lot more text. So that one that we were just looking at, it was all graphics. And then so what you do is you put your affiliate link in there and you post it, and that's going to post it onto your social. So you can see some of the posts, see what they look like. And they're going to have your links in there. You just need to be sure that you add your link, whichever link you want people to go to. And then what you can also do, and that's what I was telling you about inserting things automatically, is what you can do is create a new ad, give it a name, decide on the site, which we've seen, and then you can choose from Amazon AdSense, banner or HTML ads. Insertion, you can decide on when to insert and where, and then you create it. so that as you add and start out, you promote, this is gonna blow your mind. So what you do is you select the website, select the post, and then automatically it just sends it to all of these social media platforms. So you are going to be getting traffic there for sure. Automation is, you can either pause it or you can change your schedule on how many posts per day. And integration is to integrate. So I don't want to show you my news MPI, but you can integrate it with a Spin, Rewriter, or with Amazon. You've got training and you've got a help center. So hopefully guys, you understand how this works. It's very simple, very intuitive, and very, very effective as well in driving traffic and generate affiliate sales. Thanks very much for listening. Speak to you very soon, guys. Want to hear your success stories. All the best. Take care. Bye-bye.